We will be configuring Kubernetes deployment, replica set and scaling. So we will set up the lab one by one. Before starting, we will ensure that cluster is up and running, and we will create a namespace called lab. So let's create a lab here. Okay. So this got created now, lab. So now we will be seeing if it is reachable, get nodes with the confirmation. Okay. So you see that there are 3 master nodes and we have 2 worker nodes. Okay. So now first exercise we will be creating. Okay, we have difficulty level also. So you will create a replica set with the image Nginx 1.25 and replicas. We will be having 3 replicas. Namespace we will be using the lab here. Okay. So home. Okay. So web app we have created. So now exporting, we will be exporting the generated YAML file, YAML to understand how the Kubernetes have created. Okay. So let's get this. Okay. Get deployment. Okay. Copy. So I have copied this in web app YAML file. So I am saving it now. Exit. Now we are applying this file settings now. Now I am applying that. Okay. Configure. So now we want to verify it. Okay, this should give me like, so I will get this deployment. Okay, so available 3 and I am running web app 3 instance. So we will have 3 pods now. We will see kube control get pods on the list of that. Okay, so see these are running now. So now we have done this managing this namespace we created, we configured it, set the context here, and then we are key objective of this is to do a replica sets of 3 pods now. So we have deployed it, web app, replica sets, we have done it with the 3 pods. So once you deploy this, you will have 3 pods running here. So that is our exercise. So we have seen the output also. This is what we have done. Okay. So this concludes our exercise. So now we will be looking at the home. So all these replica sets, old replica we have 0, so new replica sets 3 are running now. Okay, so now once we are done, we are going to do a cleanup. We will be deleting this. Okay, copy and then delete. So these are web app is now deleted. So that's conclude our exercise 1. Now we will be doing the exercise 2, understanding the replica sets. So we will see how deployments create and manage replica sets. We will learn what happens when you delete a pod and how the replica set restores it. So first what we have done in exercise 1, we just created a deployment 1. So we have cleaned it up. So now we are going to list the replica set owned by the deployment. So get rs list, okay, no resource, okay. So let's see who controlled it. Controlled by, no. So let me create it now, okay. So we created. So now we'll see it or the list, okay. So currently it's running 3 now, okay, ready. Now we will see that owner reference, okay. Instead of rs name, we will be putting that this resource name here, okay, web app, okay. So now you see controlled by deployment web app replica set 3, desired 3, and pod status 3 running, 0 wait, 0 succeed, and 0 failed. So this is the template. So now what we will do is now we are going to click on one pod and then we will delete it, okay. So now deleting one pod, okay. So completed, okay. So creating, you see here, so one it is terminating, again it is container creating, and then running, completed, okay. It's running now, okay. So you will see it now. You can see them now. They are still running 3 desired state. Even though we killed one, it automatically created. Trying to do the manual scaling the replica set, not the deployment. You see them, new pod got created here, 93 seconds, okay. Now we are doing manual scaling of these replica sets, okay. Container creating, okay, manually we are scaling. So let's run it here. So even though I have worked, we have expanded this, we created it, one more replicas, 5 replicas we created, but it is still changing it to 3 only, okay. More than 3 it is not allowing us, okay. So that is how you will be doing the verification. So now even after deploying, even if I am creating one more pod, so you have set a status here, which is 5. Let me get that from the document. Let me pull the document here, okay. So our desired state is here, replica set specification is 3, that is why it is not going beyond 3. Now we will look at the role updates, rolling the updates and roll back. Without we will be performing with 0 downtime. We will be updating, and if we want we can roll back, okay. So on one terminal, so we will see it. Then on the other terminal we will be looking. I will create a duplicate session, okay. Let me create a duplicate session here. So I am logging in, okay. So this is a duplicate session here. So session 1, terminal 1, I am doing a rollout here. on terminal A. Okay, so let's roll out. Web app successfully rolled out. On the terminal B, we will be rolling out 1.6, 1.26. So I want to have a watch here on the terminal A. So let me watch it. So I am going to implement it here 1.6. Okay, you see. So now these are going to get changed here. Container creating. Okay, so these are running now pending because these are getting updated here. Okay, so containers are creating it here. So I will pause the video. So these are still being creating. Okay, we will see what is the history here. Rollout history. Revision 1, change costs, we have not mentioned anything. So 2 also no. Okay, now you see it's getting terminated and it is being recreated here. So now you see, now it is all completed. Okay, once this is done, it will be starting running it here. So you want to inspect version 2. So what is the rollout here? Okay, Nginx 1.26 on port 80, host port, CPU, all these are running here. So we will see what is. So we want to do undo the rollout back to revision 1. Okay, so we don't like this. So we want to roll back to our older version. You see now they are running it. Completed running. Okay. Other one is running. Okay. So we don't want, see, these are all running now. Okay. So what I will be doing, I want to roll back these changes. So we'll see that what happens in the real time. Okay. So I want to roll back to version 1. Okay, I didn't like this. Okay, rollout, undo deployment. Okay, now we are rolling back. So we'll see this. What is the revision 1? These are all running in 1.25. Earlier it was running on 1.26. We have just rolled that back. So this is the exercise 3. You can look into here. Okay, this is what we have done. So we rolled out one web app, then we triggered an update to 1.6. So this old parts from 1.5 to 1.6 they upgraded. So we saw that what is the history. Then we saw the revision 1, revision 2, what exactly they have done the change. So then we rolled back from green to purple again. So now you are doing the verification here. Okay. So if you want, we will be doing that command. Just run this command. So this conclude our exercise 3. We will do exercise 4, 5, 6 and 7 in other video.